outside of the U.S., expand my lens and see those two interests from a more international perspective. Also, the second aspect of the trip is service for the Harvard Philippine Forum, and that's been an incredible experience. It first started in Manila whenever we were able to meet Ateneo students and help mentor them and teach them about the American education system and the methods to apply to U.S. colleges and universities. And we've expanded that to here in Dumaguete, where we met with Stillman University students as well as other students in the surrounding schools, such as high schools and universities, and teach them about similar aspects. And it's been a very invaluable experience.
We've met with so many wonderful students from the university level at Ateneo, as well as Suleiman, and high school students in the surrounding areas. And I think what we've learned the most, even as there are quite a few differences in the education systems, really what stands out the most is that curiosity and passion for learning are universal.